Beautiful day for a walk around. Absolutely gorgeous sky today. This is LJ from Toro Auto Brokers bringing you a circular walk around and virtual condition report of this 2016 Chevrolet Silverado single cab, long bed. Bed is 8 feet long, finished in Summit White. Very nice unit, one owner, fleet maintained, excellent condition. Of course, you know I always do a circular walk around first, then I go up close and personal on the unit, pointing out any defect that I might find. We'll be starting with the driver's front fender. Love that front end. Driver's side front fender does have a dent there, right on the front near the headlight. Also has one here on the body line, you can see it right there. And the rest of the fender looks fine. We only have 2 doors, which makes it easy. Driver's side door. Overall, nice and straight. Does have a couple of touch-up spots. You can see one there. And that's about it. Does have some scratches around where the door meets the upper part of the frame. Most likely they lock the keys inside. That's what it looks like. Excuse me. Driver's side bedside does have some dings there and scratches that were touched up. And you can see towards the top of the bed area there are some dents there. And one there. Keep in mind it is a work truck, so it does get its fair share of dents every now and then. Backing out about 12 feet for the side swipe shot. And it definitely is a nice looking unit. Rear of the tailgate also does have its fair share of dents towards the top and the upper portion. You can see it there. But nevertheless, it doesn't have severe damage. It just has its fair share of dents from work. Passenger side bedside does have some dents towards the top, mirroring the other side, almost the same thing. And some touch-up scratches here. It's a long bed, I'll give it that. Bottom of the bed area does have a scratch there. Passenger side door does have a dent there, as you can see. Rest of the door is fine. Little nick there, and does have some scratches where the door meets the frame, most likely from locking the keys inside. This is why you keep spares. Passenger side front fender does have a dent down there, and the rest of the fender is fine. Backing out about 12 feet for the side swipe shot. Definitely a nice looking truck. Headlights in great shape, nice and clear. Front bumper does have a dent there, and this bumper is metal. So it's definitely a heavy duty bumper. Backing out about 6 feet for the front end shot. I apologize, something's backing up. Let's go inside. Nice and basic, has your manual windows, which of course work perfectly. Power locks. Driver's seat overall in good shape, but the corner does have some damage. The rest of the seat is fine. Armrest also has some wear there, and the steering wheel does have some wear also. They are rubber steering wheels, so they do tend to have damage pretty easily. Mileage is 116,688. AC nice and cold. Radio does work. The display has a little pixelation there, but the radio itself works. Bed has the bed liner. There is some water inside because it rained yesterday and towards the nighttime also, so it has water in there. Flipped open. Let's move to this side. This seat overall in good shape also. Corner does have some damage there. Also has Chevrolet floor mats on both sides. And now for the tires. Firestone Destination, front passenger, I would say around 60% tread. Rear, Firestone Destination, but this is an AT version. Looks like at least around 80% tread. This is another Firestone Destination AT, at least 80% tread. And this is a normal Firestone Destination, more of a passenger tire, has around 60% tread. So tires in the rear and front have good tread left. Let's get the hood open. .3 liter V6. Of course, it's been on the whole time. It's a very fuel efficient engine, I should say. Very fuel efficient engine. Makes good power while having good gas mileage. And you don't always need a V8 because the truck itself has good power. Overall, very nice unit. Remember, transportation is available at no additional cost to Florida residents. And if you're out of state, we work to get you the best deal possible. 2016 Chevrolet Silverado, finished in Summit White with the long bed, 8 feet long rear bed. Oil change has already been done. Any questions, feel free to call or text. And of course, subscribe to our channel. This is LJ from Toro Auto Brokers.